I want to show you quickly one of the benefits of having wood chips in the garden. Here we have a dandelion, and I think most people know they're quite difficult to take out. Let's see how easy we can take them out when they're in wood chips. Well, the root is still left in there, but it's much easier to take out. See? Here we have a buttercup, I think. I have plenty of these in the garden. I don't want to take them all out, but some of them are near the strawberries. I planted here, halpin strawberries. So I took them out. You see, it's a joy, almost a joy, to take out weeds when they're growing in wood chips. Here is another one, different kind of grass. See how easy it comes out.